What does the name Penmaen Rhos mean? And why was it really important to English history? So today, I'm just outside Old Colwyn, and this cliff face behind me is Penmaen Rhos, made of two parts, Penmaen, which means a headland, and Rhos, which means moor. So you could think it would mean something like the headland with the moor on top of it. But what's really important is that this area around me was actually where King Richard II was abducted by supporters of Henry Bolingbroke in 1399. Now, Henry Bolingbroke actually became Henry IV later on, after his imprisonment. Richard II was on his way back from Ireland, and this narrow bit here, between where the sea and the headland is, was where he got ambushed because he couldn't see around the corner of it. So actually, if he didn't pass through this way, maybe he wouldn't have had Henry IV. And Henry IV was the guy who put down Owain Glyndwr's rebellion. So who knows how it would have been if it wasn't for